Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. So first of all, I can log in into my WordPress website. Let me add wp-admin, and now here I need to add username and password. Then let me click on login button. So guys, here you can see I am logged in into my WordPress website, and in the WordPress dashboard we need to install a free plugin. So just we can go in plugin sections and install a new plugin. So you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. And here you can find out thousands of free WordPress plugins and then search with the keyword Solid Security. Scroll down. You can see this one, 8 lakh plus active installations with 4.9 star ratings. Just you can install this plugin. So here you can check the plugin old name, that was iThemes Security. So now you can activate this plugin. Now scroll down and click here security, then setup, and then click on the button skip. And now here you need to select one of these options. So I'm using a blog website, just I need to select this one, then click here scan site, and here you can see scanning is done and it has found some issues in website. You can also create a schedule for your website scanning, and again click here continue setup. So now you can enable brute force protection, and it's recommended for the local. You can also enable for the network brute force. Then click here continue button, and you can add a strong password so that you will use mixed characters as well as capital and small alphabets. Then again click here continue button, and you can enable two-factor authentication. Then again click here continue, and you can select one of these. You can enable security check pro, then click on next button, and here you can add authorized IP address, then click on next button, then again click on next button, and you can select one of the options. So guys, here you can see within few clicks just you can secure your WordPress website using a free WordPress plugin. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.